afternoon, everyone. So today we have a nutritionist Suvashni who will be presenting Priyal's case study. She would be taking us through the challenges that the client faced, the client's background, the goal that the client had, and how she helped the client to achieve her goal. Over to you, Suvashni.
Thank you so much, Manpreet. Today's case study is very interesting because when we know that she is a bride to be and we have to help her, it becomes more interesting from both the sides to work for that client. So, this is a case study of Priyal ma'am. So, as you can see, the title, she is not chasing perfection, but she is building a life and body that she loves for herself and for her marriage. So this was before her marriage, 3 to 4 months. So, about Priyal ma'am, a small introduction. She is a 30-year-old IT professional because of her sedentary lifestyle that was due to her work from home pattern. There were a lot of challenges that she faced. The major challenges were low energy levels. There was a lot of dip in her energy during the afternoons, and that is the reason she was not able to focus in her meetings, and that also led to a lot of stress. There was lack of sleep, although she was sleeping for 7 hours, but that was not deep. Moving ahead to her gut sensitivity, there was sluggishness, there was low water intake, and frequent indigestion and constipation, which also led to physical discomfort. Moving ahead, if you see her client profile, her age is 30 years, her height is 157 centimeters, her initial weight was 68.7 kgs. The weight that we achieved in 3 months was 61.6. Total weight loss was 7.1 kgs in the time period of 3 months, wherein she was also diagnosed with hypothyroidism before 2 months of her joining, which also led to a lot of changes in her body, and that also led to weight gain in her life. So, her primary concerns, as you can see, there's low energy, there's sleep, then there's hydration, which was very low. Her gut health, eating out pattern was more, that is 2 to 3 times per week, and upcoming event was her marriage. So we had to focus on all of these points when we started working with her. So the case conductors, her coach was Karan Bansode, and I was her nutritionist. So all three of us, we used to enjoy our teamwork because she was very jolly person when she joined, and the way she used to show up every day was very nice. That ठीक है, we don't have to go behind her कि नहीं मैम आपको आना है and all. So that was about the case conductors. Here are the two PCA reports, the first PCA report and the last PCA report. So you can see the changes. Her body fat percentage from 36 was dropped to 33%. Her weight was dropped by 7 kgs, and her muscle mass also, that was the glycogen, what was dropped. These are her measurements. You can go through every measurement. There was a great difference in her waist from 38.2 to 32.5 inches. Moving ahead, this is her fitness test and the parameters. If you see her flexibility test, she failed 2 to 3 tests in the first month, and when it was her final test, she was able to do everything very flexibly and very easily. That was an achievement for us also. Moving ahead to her nutrition overview. So, as she is a Maharashtrian, it was a very simple plan which had 3 meals. It was very flexible and it had all the dishes she enjoyed, because the first thing to overcome for us was shifting her to clean eating. Because if a person is having a habit of eating out 2 to 3 times a week, that is around 4 to 5 meals in those 3 4 days. So overcoming that was one of our challenge, and we were able to do it in first few weeks because she started enjoying the regular meals what were recommended to her. The traditional dishes were there in her meals, and we did not change that till the end. Moving ahead to her physical activity, she used to go for walk at least for 30 to 45 minutes after her workout also. So throughout the day, that was one thing that she did consistently. Her sleep pattern is what I explained in the beginning also. That was a very light sleep, and stress levels were also there. Moving ahead to the initial changes in her plan, it was a balanced plan which helped her to improve her sleep cycle, her gut health, energy levels, and the stress and overall well being. About the supplementation, we had very minimal supplementation due to her what we say skepticalness in the initial days. There were no supplements in the initial days, but once she started understanding more about her body in a couple of weeks, that is when we added a few supplements. We added omega-3, there was B12, there was vitamin D, and Lifix. So these are the detailed information about each supplement. So we were in the metabolic fix when we had the last plan, because she was supposed to get married after that, and then she shifted to a different place. This is about her weight training. You can go through it. So this is her first meal plan. Her meals were very simple with the basic Indian foods, but with a balance of carb, protein, fiber, and fat. This is the second plan in the third week. So we had also added Brazil nuts as a functional food, as there was hypothyroidism in her blood reports. These are all of her plans. So she was quite a foodie. So there were a lot of experiments with her meals. So you can see oats pancake was there. There was white sauce pasta, which was made from mushroom sauce. She used to love quinoa salad, and chicken became one of her favorite meals, wherein she was not fond of eating chicken before she joined. She started cooking with ghee and coconut oil, and even today she tells me that I am continuing this. So this is where sustainability comes into picture, because when we as nutritionists and coaches guide a client or guide a person, we want them to learn about their body and sustain. So this is how her journey was. If you see the blood parameters before and after, her TSH levels had a great change from 6.3 to 4.3, which is in the normal zone. So she was very happy when her second reports had come. This is the progress of 12 weeks. Weight loss of 7.1 kgs. Fat reduction was there. TSH levels improved. Her sleep improved immensely. She started getting deep sleep. Energy levels were stabilized. Anxiety was reduced. She became more calmer and more stress free. And that was the time period when she also started with a new life with her fiance that time, and her gut health also improved. These are her few meal pictures. So you can see there's a paneer tikki and bhakri wrap. This is how we made her meals interesting. There's quinoa salad and there's egg salad. So this is what she used to have, and this is the review what she gave for us for Wild Fit for Karan and for me. Thank you so much.